Many people have a hard time wrapping their heads around that buying a home is not a great financial decision. It's more like a lifestyle decision, at least here in Germany. Because if you dig into the topic, which is what we've done over the last years and what we're doing here in these videos, and you actually do the calculations, then you'll see that buying an investment property beats buying a home in 10 out of 10 cases. But still, let's put on the homeowner perspective. Are there any good reasons why somebody should buy a home here in Germany?
I mean, buying your own primary home is great. Every one of us wants to do that. There are also great advantages. It's yours, right? No one can kick you out of that. It might not be an investment in the beginning, but with a later time, you create generational wealth in that. So you have it for your kids, for your grandchildren, wherever. And also, yeah, you're secure, but also the banks, right? So the banks kind of forces you to save. They force you to save, and it's not like giving money away, so you really have to look at your household calculation at the end.
It sounds bad, right? The bank forces you to save, but I think for many people it's actually a good thing that the bank says you have to bring the principal every single month. It's not like you can stop your pension plan or you can stop your ETF savings plan or something. You have to pay the bank. There's no way to avoid it.
You have to. And it's, I think, yeah, as you say, they force you, but it's at the same time it's great because I mean, we're having such a high inflation right now, and I'll talk later also about that, but we're still spending money, right? We still have desires, and in this case, it's actually good that you are kind of forced to save to prepare also for your future. If it's an investment or, I don't know, saving on another way. And if you're going for your own home, you look at that completely different. Right, so you look with an eye of purchasing your own home. So everything has to be
perfect.
Perfect, right? It's not going to be the case. Like in every case, not everything is perfect. But if we compare the investment property, I always say, put your investor glasses on. Really look with a different eye on this property, because if you mix that up completely, you're not going to be successful neither in owning a own property or a primary property or an investment property. So really, these are two pair of shoes. And yeah, I mean, everyone works also for their own home, and at the end you paying out of your pocket, but you paying for yourself.
Yeah, so people always say rent is a waste of money. Right, which I feel it's not, but whatever, because I'm renting myself, and if I would feel it's a waste of money, I wouldn't do it. But just to be fair for you guys, if you feel that rent is a waste of money, then the interest that you're paying, because the bank payment consists of principal, which is you buying more and more of your property every month, but on top of that, you're not getting the bank loan for free, your mortgage, you have to pay interest. So if you think that rent is a waste of money, then you have to be fair and say, if you're buying a home, the interest rate that you're paying on your mortgage is also a waste of money.
Correct. I mean, every party wants something, right? The landlord wants the rent, and the bank wants the interest rate. Like, this is how it works in general. Nothing is for free nowadays.